Hi, today we are going to work with Canva AI. If you want your own design and don't want to start from scratch, then Canva AI is the best option for you. Let's begin. On the home page, select Canva AI next to Template option. Then type your prompt and press Enter. Now you wait for a few minutes so that AI can generate your design. Here are 4 variations, and you can just choose the best one for you. Now you can make changes in the text and can add any new element in your design. You can also edit this design in the Canva editor. Wow, you have done it! Now you can explore more about Canva AI. In the next video, I'll come with another exciting thing. Happy designing!